Welcome to our presentation. We are proud to present the software development plan for our capstone project with Childhood Disability Network Canada. Our, our team includes myself, Siddharth Lamba, leading front-end developments, Aman Purohit, managing back-end architecture, and Bhavya Shah, handling quality assurance and testing. This plan outlines how we build, test, deploy, and maintain the project efficiently using a disciplined, agile approach. So, a system overview. Our goal is to build a centralized digital platform that helps children with disabilities by improving how caregivers and professionals access and manage support services. Right now, there's a noticeable gap in modern user-friendly tools for these use cases. Our platform aims to bridge that gap by offering a streamlined, accessible, and responsive experience. This software development plan will serve as a living reference throughout our development life cycle. It covers everything from team roles and development environments to coding standards, testing strategies, deployment, and governance. It ensures our process stays organized, consistent, and aligned with project scope. Our responsibilities are clearly divided. Siddharth, I'm handling the front end using React and Tailwind. Aman is managing back-end development, including API design and database integration. And Bhavya leads QA with both manual and automated testing. This structure allows us to move efficiently and collaboratively across all development stages. Our tech stack is designed for modern scalable web applications. Front end is built with React, Tailwind, and Vite. Backend will be developed using either Node.js with Express or Spring Boot. We'll use MongoDB or PostgreSQL for data storage. GitHub will manage our source code and issues, and all work will be done across Mac OS and Windows environments. We are maintaining high development standards. Naming conventions follow camel case and Pascal patterns. Code reviews are mandatory before merging. Components are modular and reusable. Linting tools like ESLint and Prettier will ensure clean formatting. We document within the code and maintain Markdown README files. We follow a Git flow model with main, dev, and feature branches. So all our documentation is in Markdown format and maintained in GitHub. This includes setup guides, API documentation using Swagger, functional and smoke test cases, and user manuals. We'll deliver it to our client either as downloadable PDFs or hosted via GitHub pages. Testing strategies overview. So our testing strategy is led by Bhavya and includes tools like Zest and Cypress for front-end, Postman for API testing, and Selenium if we require additional end-to-end testing. We'll test against functional requirements, accessibility standards, and regression risks. Testing types include unit, functional, smoke, and accessibility testing performed continuously during and after sprints. For functional testing, an example is our form submission feature, where valid data is entered. The system should respond with a success message and store the information in the database. Our smoke test includes verifying the page loads, ensuring all forms fields are visible, confirming that invalid inputs are properly flagged with validation messages. This ensures our app's critical parts are always functioning post deployment. We are automating key tests to improve speed and reduce human error. This includes form submissions, required field validations, API status, and response checks. We are using Cypress for UI automation and Postman for API tests. Bhavya will maintain these scripts in our GitHub repository under the tests folder. Our project structure is organized and version controlled via GitHub. Front end for React, back end for the API, doc for documentation, and test for testing scripts. All goes through peer review. We use PRs to move changes from dev to main. Our deployment strategies includes releasing the front end, back end, and database schema using version numbers like v1.0.0, hosting the front end on Vercel or AWS and the back end on Render, Heroku, or AWS. Every deployment will trigger smoke tests and be verified manually for key features. To ensure quality and accountability, we have implemented peer code reviews with a checklist. GitHub issues and labels are issued for tracking bugs, features, and enhancements. We have templates for bug reports, feature requests, pull request submissions. We also meet weekly to sync process, our progress, discuss blockers, and ensure alignment with our agile plan. So this is how we'll be handling our software process management project for Childhood Disability Network Canada. Thank you.